Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Indian flag pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So to do the Indian flag pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, first of all you need to position the cube in such a way that the blue layer is facing you in front, white at the top and orange on the right side. Now we will be doing a couple of basic moves and slice moves. For those who are not familiar with the basic moves, I have already made a video on how to read cube algorithms or cube notations on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I have linked that video in the description box below. So if you can refer that video, it will be very useful. So moving on. You can see the algorithm on the screen. So let's start. U, D prime 2, now move on to the left side, L, E, L prime, E prime, moving on to the right side, R prime, E prime, R, E. Now we got the Indian flag pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now to get this back to the solved state, or to get back the original cube form, what you need to do is you need to repeat the same algorithm in reverse. So we do the same. We'll start on the right side again. We do the E prime, R prime, E, R. I will do on the left side, E, L prime, E, L, E prime, L prime, D2 and U prime.